Hey, one of the many attractions, not really an attraction, is a mural wall here in the casino of Sentosa Island, beside resorts, beside Universal Studios. So that is a Van Gogh, the immersive experience in Singapore. Dive into the world of color, into a world of color. So these are the many paintings of Vincent van Gogh. So you can see it here, but this is a mural replica. It's a good way to take your photos while you're here in besides Universal Studios, while you are here in Sentosa Island. And at the back is the casino. So if you want to play casino, that would be the place for you. Okay. So you need to take a card over there and then go inside the casino area. So if you like playing casino, make sure that you pass by here in Sentosa Island. Again, this is the mural wall of the Vincent van Gogh, the immersive experience. Dive into a world of color. See you soon, Hapinoys. Join us. Don't forget to click and subscribe.